Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight, and this evening, early evening by the way, we're at Mr Cod and we're having a fish and chip night with quite a few viewers, and we've taken this side of the restaurant. There's loads of us turned up. I'm starving. Quite a few of them have already ordered, so I'm going to go around, take their names, and then we'll see what they've got. We start off with this lovely Welsh couple. We met them last night, and let's take your name and see what you got.
I'm Kev. I got the cod and chips.
Oh wow, look at the size of that. And you got curry sauce.
I got curry sauce.
And your name is?
Sean, and I got a small one.
Oh, you got a small one. I don't blame you, they're enormous, aren't they?
I know I couldn't eat those too much.
No, that I could actually tonight.
I know.
And you've got mushy peas
And gravy.
and gravy. Oh, delish. Right, I'm going to come back later. Hi guys. Oh, you haven't got your food yet, have you? Yeah, good idea. Oh, we haven't ordered yet. Let's take your names for the video, because we're taking a video tonight of all the viewers that have turned up.
So I'm Tony.
Tony.
Logan.
And
Liam.
And we saw you last night, didn't we? We had a slow beer together. Right, I'm looking forward to the meal. I'm sure you've ordered, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah, you have ordered. Right, let's go round to this lovely lady. And what's your name?
Carolyn.
And I think you've nearly finished. No, you're doing well. You're doing well.
I'm slowing down.
I think you've got fish cakes.
I'm trying the fish cakes that you recommended. They're lovely.
They are lovely, aren't they? And you get two. You don't get one, do you? You get two big fish cakes. I'm gonna have half a fish cake today, or one fish cake, and we're gonna share the cod. So that's the plan. You've got the massive cod, haven't you? What's your name?
Alan.
Alan?
Yeah.
It's big, isn't it?
That's nice, isn't it?
That is lovely. It's not greasy at all, is it? Look
No,
at that.
really crisp.
Just cuts up.
Look at it, beautiful.
Delish. Right, these guys here, they've ordered. Have you ordered?
Yeah.
What are you going to have?
Small cod and chips.
You're just going to have the small cod. Quite advisable. Yes, they are quite big. What's your name?
Darren.
Darren. And what are you going to have, sir?
Cod and chips and curry sauce.
Oh, curry
I
soup.
was going to have the fish cake, but there isn't any left, so I'm having 2 small sausages and chips.
There's no fish cake left.
No.
Wait till I see Chef. I can't believe it. The fish cakes have run out.
I was going to have the fish cake, but I couldn't.
She was going to have the fish cake. Well, and madam?
I'm having mini fish, chips and mushy peas.
Oh, you're going to have the small one, aren't you? Good idea, good idea. And what's your name? I think...
Janet.
Oh, Janet. Oh, lovely. I'm looking
That's my
forward to...
nan, and that's my other
Oh, right, you're together, and...
and that's my other half.
Yeah, you
Marvellous.
cut me and David last year.
Yeah.
Oh, did I?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Usually they won't walk past you, didn't even realise that it was us that spotted
Well,
them. They were
yeah,
on the videos.
that's me. That's me. I do apologise. Right, we'll come back to you in a bit. We've seen this chap. What's your name?
Tim.
And we've seen you before in here, haven't we?
We
You're
have,
regular, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm regular.
What are you going to have tonight?
Well, mince beef pie and chips.
Sorry?
Mince beef pie and chips.
Mince?
Lard, yeah.
Mince what?
Mince beef.
Mince beef,
Mince beef?
Mince beef?
Yeah.
pocket hard.
Oh, I
Probably
didn't know he
never
does
menu. I didn't
that.
see it last
Oh, I'm
week.
going to come round and have a look at that, see what it's like. And what are you having?
My name's Debbie, and I'm having the fish, the large fish.
Shark.
That's what I'm going to have. I'm going to have a shark as
Curry
well.
sauce.
I'm really hungry today, so I might have curry sauce as it goes. I did have curry sauce last time. It is delish. makes a change from mayonnaise on stuff, doesn't it?
Chips, fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, and you can pour the curry sauce on top of the chips. I might do that. Good advice. Now let's go and see this big family here, and they're already eating. I think they sneaked in early, do you know what I mean? They're sneaking early. What's your name? Hello. Look at those muscles. And what are you having to eat?
Ribs.
I came past earlier, and that was hanging out there and hanging out here, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Looks really delish. It does look delicious, doesn't it? Lovely. Oh wow, look at the size of that cod.
Shows your cod.
Wow. Now I might have curry sauce as well. What's your name?
Gary.
Gary.
It's delish, you know.
Is it delish, Gary?
Delish.
Looks delish. And what's your name?
Emma.
Emma, you've got the same, haven't you? Except you've got mushy peas. I don't know whether to have mushy peas tonight. Oh, 1 minute, I've spotted something. One moment. What's that?
Buttered mushrooms.
Buttered mushrooms, that's something different. You see different stuff all the time. I don't think I'm going to go for that tonight, but that looks delicious. Have you tried a bit?
Nice.
Is it good? Buttered mushrooms, they're enormous. What's your name?
Katie.
Katie, what are you having?
Beef and onion pie.
Pie and chips, delish. And why don't you have some... No. Okay, fair enough. But you have got some bread and butter. Yeah, you can make a chip butty, can't you? Yeah, good idea. You've got the small cod and... One moment. What's your name?
Shirley.
Shirley? What have you got there?
So he had Colin had fish and chips.
Right.
And I had the 2 fish cake.
Right.
So
And your recommendation?
Your recommendation. So we've had half a fish each and shared fish cake.
Brilliant idea. That's what we might have. And you've got... Have you tried the fish cake yet?
Not
I've
yet.
never tried it yet, but the crew have, and they said it's delish.
Where's the crew?
Crew is... Oh, she's disappeared. Oh, the crew's over there, look. There's a crew, look. There she is there. Right, enjoy your meal, guys. We'll come back later. Be on the video. Why not? Oh, and we've got 2 over here because we've got the sun gleaming in, haven't we, here? So it's a bit warm. So you're in the... You're in the cool.
This is the best wine
Is it?
combination with mushy peas, St. Pantolimon.
What, this is the best wine with mushy peas?
Yeah, honestly.
Are
I'm
you
gonna let
winding us up?
No, honestly, when it comes, you have to try it.
Okay,
Yeah,
here we are.
it's
There's a
such
recommendation.
A good combination.
Mushy peas with this.
Yeah.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Okay, there you go. And you're having a slow beer.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And this is, of course, our lovely
Holly.
Holly.
And Tim.
And Tim, who does like a slow beer, don't you, Tim? Oh, we've got to have a slow beer. Right, and so there... Oh, hello! Now, this is the waitress, aren't you? And you're often here, aren't you?
Almost every day.
Yeah. What's your name? 'Cause
Annie.
Sorry?
Annie.
That's right. And who's this lady here?
That's Mum. Her.
That's your mum, isn't it?
Yeah.
And she's a waitress as well.
Yeah.
And she's not as qualified as you, is she? But she do, won't she?
Yeah.
And there's the staff behind there working busily away to get our order ready. Oh wow. Let's have a look at your sauce. Did you chop it
I
up?
have just chopped it up for him, yeah.
Yeah.
Massive.
Two massive sausages.
Oh, there are 2 sausages in there.
2 sausages.
Delish. What? Oh yes. And don't forget your salt and vinegar, guys. Oh, mushy peas. Are you having mushy peas? No, I don't. No, I can't say. Oh, curry sauce. I might have curry sauce.
Yes.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah.
I think most people tonight are having curry sauce.
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, mate.
Yeah. Except the chap over there, he's got a massive rack of ribs. Yeah. The muscly guys. Yeah, he's getting protein and stuff, yeah. Guys, have you seen this pudding? Is the pudding low calorie, by the way? Yes, it is. It's low calorie, guys. What's on the top? Let's have a look. Cheesecake. What's the middle one? Is it apple crumble? whatever you want it to call it, guys. And apple pie on the bottom. I think we could demolish all that, couldn't we? You could. I think you can have a go at that. Look, when you close the door, it starts going round. Watch. Clever, isn't it? Look at that. Look at that. Oh yeah, I think you guys can demolish one of those easily. Yeah. Last but not least, we've got some more viewers. Can I take your name?
Natalie.
And what you ordered?
Fish and chips.
Cod and chips, is it cod? Normal size?
Yeah.
You've got a challenge, well done. And yourself?
Order cod and chips.
Good man, good man. And can I take your name?
Sausage and chips.
Yeah, so you're all having the big cod and chips?
No, sausage and chips.
Oh, sorry, I didn't hear you. Sausage and chips. Now you get 2 sausages, by the way. And you got?
Vanilla milkshake.
Ah, marvellous. Oh, I might try one of them. That looks delish. Brilliant. Yeah, and have you got mushy peas?
Curry sauce.
Yeah, I might have curry sauce. It looks like everyone's having curry sauce tonight. Brilliant. Well, enjoy the delish meal and we'll come back later and see what you think about it. Oh. Hello, you're busy, aren't you? She's busy. It's really busy tonight. Look at it out here. Oh, are these some more viewers that have turned up? Hi guys.
Yeah, George.
You alright?
Yes, mate. Yeah.
Have you ordered?
We have, yeah.
Let me take your name because we're taking names for our video today.
Yeah, for YouTube, I'll get you.
That's right. What's your name?
Mick.
Mick and
Sue.
and Sue.
Yeah.
What you ordered?
Of course, cod and chips.
Of course. Now, guess what? I've got the fish cake, but I'm not having all fish cake.
Right.
I'm having half a fish cake and half the cod today.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it. Right, have most of you eaten? Have you eaten?
Yeah,
Did you manage to go through it all?
No, I didn't eat it all.
Did you not?
No.
I'm surprised.
I left it
Actually.
all
I
gone.
thought you might have had the lot.
because you've got a good appetite.
Just had the cheesecake.
The top one there?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Was it delish?
Delish.
Lovely.
Double delish.
Double delish?
Double delish.
Oh, I'm tempted now. Well, I'm going to have my dinner and then see what happens. Did you have an afters?
Shared one.
Oh, you shared it? Oh, that's a good top tip. Share the afters. I like it. Right, I'm going to go and see what the crew over there have got. And oh, you had afters as well?
Yeah, we have, George, yeah.
Good idea. They shared theirs.
Yeah, we did as well.
What's it like?
Delish.
Delish, isn't it? And it gorgeous. Is that the big one?
Well,
It looks
it was
fair.
a little bit bigger.
Yeah, you've had it, you scoffed it. Right, let's go and see these. All right, so we've got some more viewers. Can I take your name?
Nigel.
Nigel, and what you ordered?
Cod and chips.
The big one, isn't it? Oh yeah, that's what I've got. What you ordered?
I've ordered chicken curry
Just chicken curry?
and rice and chips.
Oh, rice and chips. Oh, that's interesting. What's your name?
Tracy.
Tracy. What you got, young lady?
I've ordered a cheeseburger and chips.
Cheeseburger, and that's very American, isn't it? It's going to be nice, I think. I don't know. I've heard the cheeseburgers are quite nice. I'll come back and take your opinion later. What you got?
The fish and chips.
Yeah, what's your name?
Heather.
And this gentleman?
Andy.
Andy, what you got?
Cod and chips.
Yeah, I've got cod and chips, but I was ready. And I've got a fish cake as well, I'm sharing it.
Well, I've got bread and butter, you know, because
You can have a chip butty.
yeah,
Oh, you've got to keep the stomach
Well, I have
going.
to keep
It's
the
not very
stomach going.
big. It's not very big. No, that's nothing.
Disappointing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have as many chip butties as you like. Right, I've got a massive cod. There we are. And you've got your fish cakes, but we're going to share tonight, aren't we?
We are.
So I want one of those. Anyone will do. And you want half the cod, yeah?
Yep.
What half do you want? This half here? There you go. Is that alright? That bit there?
That's mine, yeah?
No, that's mine.
Cut it that way.
Cut it that? No. Okay. Alright, I'll cut it that way. You can have that little bit there. I think I'm going to get conned here. You cut it. I think I'm going to get conned. I'm getting conned.
You've got a cut, he's got shoes. That's the
I'm
fair.
getting conned. We got a photographer, by the way, guys. There we are, professional photographer, and he's taking some photos. Sorry. So, guys, was the fish and chips nice? Delish. Well, we've had a fantastic meal. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.